Very good morning, dear students. Welcome to Jafri and Fatima English School online teaching class. Myself Siraj sir, and I am your science teacher. So today we will learn subject science standard 4th lesson number 1, that is food, our basic need. So first of all, let's start with our first introductory part, that is food. Dear students, you very well know that all living beings need a food. Living being, plants, animals, insects, birds, etc. They all are living being and they need food. Food मतलब vegetables, non-veg, pulses, cereals, all these are food. The food that gives us energy. So my dear students, for all our activity like study, when you study, when you talk, when you play, when you walk, you need energy. Without energy you will not able to do any type of activities. So dear students, for all type of activity what we need energy. So from where we get this energy? We get this energy from the food. If we eat the food in our diet, then we get the energy. So this is a basic introductory part, that food gives us energy and we perform all the activities in our day-to-day life with the help of energy only. So food gives us energy. Now dear students, question arise in our mind that we eat the food, how we get energy? What is there inside the food? What is there inside the food that you are eating and you are getting the energy? डियर स्टूडेंट्स, आप जो फूड खाते हो उसमें से आपको एनर्जी मिलता है. सो हाउ यू आर गेटिंग दिस एनर्जी? सो माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, inside the food there is a substance that is called nutrients. Okay dear students, so what are nutrients? The substance that are needed by our body for energy, for good health and for proper growth, that are called nutrients. So we are eating the food. Inside the food there is a substance present that are called nutrients. This gives us energy, that give us good health and also a proper growth. So inside the food, what is present? Inside the food, a nutrient, a substance is present, that is called nutrient. Now what are the uses of this nutrient? So these nutrients helps to repair our body. हमारी बॉडी को अच्छी करने में मदद करता है. ठीक है, because we are eating the food, inside the food there is a nutrients. So these nutrients help our body to remove the waste material, to repair our body, to build a strong muscles, etc. and also prevent us from falling ill. Prevent मतलब stop, हमें बीमारी से भी बचाता है. सो वी नीड टू ईट द फूड बिकॉज फूड गिव्स अस एनर्जी, फूड रिपेयर आवर बॉडी एंड ऑल्सो it prevent us from falling ill. So this is a basic topic dear students. Inside the food there is a nutrient, a substance. So now dear students, there are many type of the nutrient are present in the food. Food has a nutrient. So these nutrients are of various types. So based on the nutrient found in the food, there are 5 main food groups. How many food groups are there? There are 5 main food groups. They are, number 1 is carbohydrate. Carbohydrate is a nutrient present in the food. Protein, number 2 is protein. Protein is also a nutrient present in the food. Fat is also a nutrient present in the food. Fourth is vitamins, and the fifth one is minerals. So these all 5 are the nutrients. They are present, they are already there inside the food. So let's start with our important topic, that is food group. So dear students, first food group is carbohydrate. कार्बोहाइड्रेट, आई ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू डियर स्टूडेंट्स, फूड में न्यूट्रिएंट्स होता है, ये न्यूट्रिएंट्स के 5 टाइप्स है, ठीक है। एमॉन्ग्स देम वन इज कार्बोहाइड्रेट। सो फर्स्ट वन इज कार्बोहाइड्रेट। सो फूड रिच इन कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स आर कॉल्ड एनर्जी गिविंग फूड। यानी जिस फूड में भी कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स हो उस फूड को क्या बोलेंगे? एनर्जी गिविंग फूड। मतलब दिस फूड विल गिव्स इंस्टेंट एनर्जी। सो विच आर द एग्जाम्पल्स ऑफ द कार्बोहाइड्रेट रिच फूड? कौन से ऐसे फूड है जिसमें सबसे ज़्यादा कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स है? लेट्स स्टार्ट। सीरियल्स लाइक राइस, wheat, corn has a maximum amount of carbohydrate in it, and in vegetable potatoes has also maximum amount of the carbohydrates. So dear students, if we eat this food then we get instant energy, jaldi energy we get, okay? So this is the first one. Energy giving food are called carbohydrates. Number 2, proteins. The food rich in the proteins are called bodybuilding food. Now what is mean by bodybuilding? Body means our body, building means to build the body, to repair the body, to build the muscles. So food rich in the protein, they are called bodybuilding food. What are the uses of the protein? They are need for repair of our body and for building a muscles. So dear students, you are only the one most example. Now you are the young. Your age is 7 to 8 years. Your age is, I think, 8 to 9 years. So you are the young one. This is your growth period, that your height will increases, your mind become sharp, your muscle become strong. So why this happen? Because young children need more protein. Why they need more protein? Because they have to build from young to the adult. मतलब छोटे बच्चे में से आपको बड़ा होना है, सो आपको प्रोटीन भी सबसे ज़्यादा चाहिए. सो प्रोटीन्स आर वेरी वेरी यूजफुल टू अस बिकॉज दे बिल्ड आवर बॉडी. सो विच आर द फूड्स दैट वी गेट फ्रॉम वेयर? फ्रॉम दैट वी गेट द प्रोटीन. ऐसे कौन से फूड है जिसमें से हमें प्रोटीन मिलता है? So these foods are milk, egg, cheese, fish, meat, pulses, etc. So if we eat this more amount in our diet, then we get more amount of the protein and our muscle becomes strong. Okay, so this is the second group. Third group is fats. Fats also provide more energy compared to the carbohydrates. Fat also gives us energy compared to carbohydrate. We already learned, dear students, carbohydrates are called energy giving food. यानी कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स हमें एनर्जी प्रोवाइड करता है, उस तरह फैट्स भी हमें एनर्जी प्रोवाइड करता है, बट दे गिव्स मोर अमाउंट ऑफ एनर्जी कंपेयर टू द कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स. They keep our body warm, but our body require little amount of the fat. If we eat more amount of the fat food, then what happen? Extra fat stored in our body. So due to extra fat stored in our body, our weight will be increases. So it is not good. So we need to eat less amount of the fatty food. So which are the food in which fat is more? These are oil, ghee, butter, etc. These are the foods which has more amount of the fat, but we need to eat less, because if we eat more fat, then extra fat stored in our body, so our weight will increase, so that is not good. Fourth one is vitamins or vitamins. Vitamins, a very important topic, dear students. Vitamins are also present in the food. So what is the function of the vitamin? They protect us from diseases. विटामिन्स जो है वो हमें डिजीज से बचाता है एंड कीप अस हेल्दी एंड फिट, सो दे आर कॉल्ड प्रोटेक्टिव फूड. लाइक कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स आर कॉल्ड एनर्जी गिविंग फूड, proteins are called body building food, like that vitamins are called protective food. Why they are called protective food? Because they protect us from many diseases and keep us healthy. So there are various type of the vitamins, okay, that required by our body. They are vitamin A, vitamin B complex, vitamin C, vitamin D, vitamin E, and vitamin K. These are the various types of the vitamins that are present in the food. Okay, dear students. So if we eat the food, then we get the vitamin, but we have to eat healthy food. So now, what are the important roles of the vitamins in our body? So let's start. Vitamin A. Vitamin A is useful for eyesight. Eyesight यानी हमें हम जो देखते हैं हमारी साइट पे बाहर, उसमें मदद करता है. विटामिन बी कॉम्प्लेक्स हैज मैनी फंक्शन इन आवर बॉडी. Vitamin C is called ascorbic acid also. They keep our gums and teeth healthy. Vitamin D absorb calcium in our body. We get the vitamin D from the sunrise. Vitamin E is also useful in the vision. Vision matlab that we are seeing around, and our cell health. Vitamin K, a very important vitamin that are useful to us in blood clotting. Okay, if there is no vitamin K in our body, then our blood will not clot. Matlab we suffer from the many diseases, blood related diseases. So this is a short information. In this, important thing is vitamins protect our body, and so they are called protective food. There are many types of the vitamins that are useful to us. Number 4 is vitamin. Now number 5. Number 5 is minerals. Like vitamin protect from the diseases and keep us healthy. Minerals also protect us from the diseases. So vitamins and minerals are called protective food. Vitamins are also called protective food and minerals are also called protective food. So dear students, from where we get the vitamins and the minerals? We get vitamins and the minerals from the vegetables, milk, egg, dry fruits and legumes. Okay, dear students, so this is very important thing. Question may be asked such that vitamins and minerals are called dash, and you have to write protective food. Question may be asked such that name the various type of the vitamin that are helpful to our body. Then you have to write vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C, vitamin D, vitamin E and vitamin K. Like that, there are many minerals that are also useful to our body. They are calcium, iron, potassium, iodine and sodium. These are the 5 minerals. They are very important and required to our body because they are uses in various function. First one is calcium. Calcium, what is the function of the calcium? We get calcium from the milk, we get calcium from the dry fruit, we get calcium from the vegetables. Okay, so if we eat all this food, we get the calcium. So it is useful for bone formation and the teeth. So dear students, you very well know that bones are white in color and teeth are also white in color because they are made from calcium. Calcium is a name of a mineral, dear students. Number 2 is iron. Iron is useful for formation of the blood. हमारे बॉडी में ब्लड बनाने में काम करता है, इसलिए द कलर ऑफ द ब्लड इज रेड बिकॉज दे आर मेड फ्रॉम आयरन. नंबर 3 इज पोटेशियम. इट रेगुलेट द फ्लूइड बैलेंस. ये हमारे बॉडी में एक लिक्विड प्रेजेंट है, उसको मेंटेन करने में मदद करता है. ठीक है, इफ the fluid is not maintained in our body, then our all body parts are become contract, okay, and they may be broken down due to the imbalance of the fluid. Fluid यानी एक लिक्विड प्रेजेंट है हमारे बॉडी में जो हमारे हर बोन्स को, हर ऑर्गन को एकदम संतुलन रखता है, बैलेंस रखता है. Third one is iodine. Iodine is also a name of a mineral that is very important in thyroid health. Thyroid मतलब thyroid is a gland. It is present in neck region. हमारे गर्दन के नियरेस्ट है. अगर किसी भी पर्सन में आयोडीन नहीं है तो उसकी गर्दन जो है वो सूज जाती है, एकदम स्वेलो हो जाती है, जिसको हम बोलते हैं गोइटर. फिफ्थ वन इज सोडियम, अ वेरी important mineral. It helps to maintain body volume and blood pressure. Okay, maintain body volume यानी it maintain the blood quantity. Okay, it also useful in blood circulation because हमारे बॉडी में हर जगह ब्लड पहुंचता है, तो ये मेंटेन करता है कितने वॉल्यूम में, कितने प्रेशर पे, वो सब मेंटेन कौन करता है? ये सब सोडियम मेंटेन करता है. सो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, दिस आर द 5 minerals. They are very important to our body that we get from the various foods. So these are all about the food groups. First one is carbohydrate, second one is protein, third one is fats, fourth one is vitamins, and the fifth one is minerals. So dear students, now next topic is dietary fibers. We discussed that if we eat the food, then we get all the things. So what we are eating? We are eating the cereals, we are eating the green vegetables, we are eating the fruits that contain the fiber in it. Okay, these fibers, there is a material, okay, that are present in all food. That materials are helpful to digest our food in our body. So let's start with the first point. Food items such as cereals, green vegetables, and the fruits contain fiber that cannot be digested in our body. So these are some fibers. There are some part of the food, they are not digested in our body. जैसे हम कोई ग्रीन लीफ वेजिटेबल्स खाए, जैसे हम कुछ फ्रूट्स खाए, तो उसमें से कुछ ऐसे पार्ट्स है जो हमारे बॉडी में डाइजेस्ट हो नहीं पाते, जो डाइजेशन उसका हो ही नहीं सकता. दैट पार्ट्स आर कॉल्ड डाइटरी फाइबर्स. The part of the plant food that cannot be digested by our body, they are called dietary fiber. Now what is the role of this dietary fiber? जो हमारे बॉडी में डाइजेस्ट नहीं हुए हैं, तो ये हमारे बॉडी को क्या मदद रूप करते हैं? सो दिस फाइबर्स आर यूजफुल टू रिमूव द वेस्ट फ्रॉम आवर बॉडी. ये हमारे बॉडी में से वेस्ट बाहर निकालने में मदद करता है. ओके, अगर हमारी डाइजेशन प्रॉब्लम हो जाए, व्हाट वी आर ईटिंग? वी आर ड्रिंकिंग इसबगोल. यू वेरी वेल नोन दैट डियर स्टूडेंट. इसबगोल इज ए प्लांट, इट इज ए पार्ट ऑफ ए प्लांट, इट इज ए फाइबर. सो वी आर ड्रिंकिंग दैट एक्स्ट्रा. So with the help of these fibers, it helpful to us, it helpful to our body to remove the waste properly. So these fibers are very important to remove the waste from our body. And dear students, water is also a very important. We should drink a plenty of water in a day. You are the younger one, you have to drink at least 2 to 3 liters per day water. So these are all about dietary fibers and water. So dear students, our next topic is balanced diet. Balanced diet means a diet that has all nutrient in the right amount of the dietary fibers, and a water is called balanced diet. It means that you need to eat the food that has all type of the nutrient. You need to eat a carbohydrate rich food, you have to eat protein item rich food, fat rich food, vitamins rich food, and minerals rich food, okay, in your diet. Okay, so see the example. Carbohydrates are present in the rice that we are already discussed. Proteins are also present in milk, egg, cheese. So dear students, what is balanced diet? In a diet that has all nutrient in the right amount. All nutrient means carbohydrate, protein, fats, vitamins, and minerals. All should be present in our diet. हमारे खाने में यह सब होना चाहिए. That's why we are eating the rice also, milk also, egg also, ghee also, vegetables also. Okay, so dear students, Eat that food that mummy will add your advice, your parents that advise the food that you have to eat, because that is balanced diet. You have to eat all the food items, all the nutrient rich food. You not need to eat only one type of the food, because if you eat only milk, then what happens? If you drink only milk, then you get more amount of the protein. So from where we get the fats, carbohydrates? So you need to eat all the food that rich in all nutrients. That is called balanced diet. Now next is preservation of the food. प्रिजर्वेशन यानी हमें फूड को स्पॉइल होने से, खराब होने से बचाना है ना. इफ फूड आइटम आर केप्ट फॉर लॉन्ग टाइम, we need to preserve it. If you want food item kept for long time, then what you should do? We should have to preserve that food. If we not preserve the food, then that food gets spoiled. Spoil yani bigad jana. So there are 5 methods that are useful in various process. First one is drying. Drying यानी what is mean by drying? Drying यानी जो food है उसमें से पानी निकाल लेना, उसको बोलते हैं drying. Example I am giving you a grapes. You very well know that, dear student, grapes, black color and a green color grapes. Okay, if we will dry the grapes, then they are converted into the resin, sukhi draksh. Okay, so this resin is a dry form, so it kept for long time. Then dear students, you very well know that in our MOVA there is a dehydration. Okay, in dehydration what they are doing? From the onion they are removing the water, matlab drying. Okay, जो ऑनियन है उसमें से वो पानी निकाल लेते हैं ताकि ऑनियन है वो लॉन्ग टाइम तक चले. ठीक है, ड्राई फॉर्म ऑफ द ऑनियन मतलब कीबल्ड पाउडर एक्सेट्रा. सो दिस इज ऑल्सो ए ड्राइंग. सो डिहाइड्रेशन इज ए process. Okay, from that onions are dried, they are converted into the dry onion. So this process is drying. Second one is pickling. Pickling yani if you want to preserve the mango, what we have to do? Our mummy, what she will do? આપણે ઘરે we are seeing that मम्मी जो है वो हमारे लिए अथाना है ना, पिकल्स बनाती है. उसमें से क्या डालती है वो? दे आर एडिंग द ऑयल एंड सॉल्ट इन द मैंगोज. ओके, दैट इज कॉल्ड पिकलिंग. ओके, मैंगोज के ऊपर ऑयल डाल देती है ताकि मैंगोज है वो लॉन्ग टाइम तक अच्छे रहे. देन रेफ्रिजरेटिंग. रेफ्रिजरेटिंग मतलब we have to store that food in a cool place. हमारे फ्रिज में रखते हैं. cooked food and fresh vegetables that we have to preserve, then we are putting in refrigerator. Then deep freezing. deep यानी very high cold temperature, too high cold, बहुत ठंडी वाला तापमान. हमारे फ्रिज में एक बॉक्स रहता है, खाना देखने को मिलता है वहाँ पे, जिसको बोलते हैं फ्रीज़र. व्हाट वी आर पुटिंग? वी आर कीपिंग द मीट, फिश, आइसक्रीम, चॉकलेट्स एक्सेट्रा. सो दैट स्टोर्ड फॉर ए लॉन्गर टाइम ऑफ द पीरियड. एंड द फिफ्थ वन इज कैनिंग एंड बॉटलिंग. You very well know that, dear students, there are little can, tin, Pepsi, Big Cola. Okay, then sauce canning, sauce bottling, sauce pouch. So easy to store. So these all are about preservation of the food. There are 5 methods and it is very simple. Now, if we want to become healthy, then there are three important points. First one is rest. We are eating the food also. Food gives us health, but there are various things that also gives us health. फूड खाने के साथ साथ हमें रेस्ट भी करना चाहिए. रेस्ट यानी वी नीड टू स्लीप फॉर 6 to 8 आवर इन ए डे. 24 घंटे में 6 से 8 घंटा हमें सोना चाहिए ताकि हम बीमार न पड़े. देन पोस्चर. पोस्चर यानी बॉडी पोजीशन. वी कीप आवर बॉडी अपराइट. अपराइट यानी स्ट्रेट रहना चाहिए. व्हेन वी आर स्टैंडिंग, व्हेन वी आर सिटिंग, एट दैट टाइम आवर बॉडी विल बी अपराइट. अपराइट यानी हेड स्ट्रेट, आवर neck region, our back region must be straight. Okay, if we are not in correct position, then our body will suffer from the pain, joint pain and muscle pain. Okay, so we require, we should stand and sit in a proper position. If we will not follow this, then our joint will be pain and muscle will also pain. And the last thing is exercise. Exercise also a very part of our healthy life. We need to do the exercise at least half an hour a day to stay the healthy. For healthy, if you not want to do the exercise, then you have to play the outdoor games. आउटडोर गेम्स यानी घर के बाहर की जो गेम्स होती है वो क्रिकेट, फुटबॉल, खो खो, कबड्डी. दिस ऑल आर द आउटडोर गेम्स. इफ यू प्ले these games then you become healthy. If you play the mobile games, then that is very bad and that harm to your eyes, to your body, to your mind. So we should follow the proper condition. Okay, dear students, so these all are about the lesson number 1. What we learn in this lesson? If we want to become healthy, then we must eat a healthy food. We have to take the rest properly and we should do the exercise regularly. अगर आप मोबाइल की गेम खेलोगे तो आपकी नींद भी खराब होगी, आपकी आइज भी बहुत खराब होगी, आपका माइंड भी एकदम प्रेशर में रहेगा. सो इफ यू वांट टू बिकम हेल्दी, यू शुड प्लेज अ आउटडोर गेम. मोबाइल बंद करे और बाहर खेलने जाए या फिर घर में खेले, लेकिन मोबाइल से नहीं. So dear students, this is all are about the lesson number 1. Thank you very much for attending this online session, online learning class, and be healthy, be happy and learn more and more. If any doubt, then watch the video more and more in time. Okay dear students, thank you very much.